Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Are you guys doing good? I'm back with another unplanned video because I just finished editing the pink and flirty video and I feel exhausted, dude. I hate editing. But I'm back with another video and it's gonna be a fun one. It's going to be a challenge video and I hate challenges because I am way too competitive. If I'm playing with other people, I mean, I'm way too competitive and I play to win, but this is a challenge against myself, so it's gonna be pretty interesting. Anywho, the challenge video today is the random number generator picks my makeup challenge, but my makeup collection isn't huge, it's not big, it's very personal, like my own personal makeup. For example, I only have one foundation, I have two concealers, so I can't really use the random number generator for those. That's why I already did my base, but I will be using the generator for my eyeshadow palettes and my lipsticks and also the look I'm going to do. Alright, so I have my palettes here and this one, and I've already labeled them from 1 to 5, seeing as I have 5 palettes, or the palettes that I've chosen to use for this video are these 5 palettes right here. The first one would be the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. This is number 1. As you can see, I have labeled it there. And then the second one will be the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This is number 2. And number 3 will be the Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette. Oops, there. 3. Number 4 will be the Zoeva Opulence palette. 4, which was given to me for my birthday from my very good friend Abigail. Thanks, Abigail. And the last one is this drugstore palette. This is the Maybelline the City Mini palette, and it's like, I've never actually used this palette and I'm kind of scared because, okay, my brother gave this to me for Christmas and I've never used it. I've used some of the shades, but I've never created a whole look with this palette, so I'm actually quite scared to get this one. So this is palette number 5. So let's see what number I get. I got palette number 2. This is palette number 2. Now, since I got this palette, well, this palette was chosen, now I will be taking the random number generator and going from 1 to 21 here. So I'll be taking the like shade number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, like this. Should I go like this? Like that. And see what I get. So I think I'll be doing 4 back-to-back. Like I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever number comes out will be the colors I use on my eye, so it's easier for me because I'm really at these things, dude. Okay, so let's see what colors are chosen. Okay, the first number is 11. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my god, it's okay. It's an okay shade. The first number is 11, which is Guilt Trip. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the first shade that's chosen. What else? 16, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ooh, okay. Second shade is Punk, which is this one here, dark brown. 7. Ooh, which is Good Is Gone. Okay, I got 2 matte shades, which are both dark brown, but oh, I don't know. 1. Okay. Ooh, wait, hold up. Oh, okay. It's a shimmer shade. Can I use it? Okay, let's see where this goes. So, as you can see, I took the liberty of doing my right eye off camera, so I knew where I wanted to go with this look, and I stuck to the color scheme, and it came out looking more 80s than I intended, but I kind of dig it. Kind of goes with this outfit actually. So this is not the colors I used. This is from me vigorously wiping off the excess on my very dirty brushes. Anyway, taking this palette, number 2, and the colors that were assigned, I will be going in first with this shade right here called Good Is Gone, and I'll be using it as a very, very dark initial transition shade. What I noticed using this, because I usually use this as a shade to deepen up my crease, not an initial transition shade. What I noticed is that it is very hard to work with. It's very hard to blend, and you really need a light, very light hand with this, and it's kind of annoying as well. And I don't know what it is about my eyes, but some places like around here and here, especially up here, they don't catch the pigment of the shade as well as other places. Having said that, I love this palette though. It's a very, very beautiful palette. You can make a lot of colorful looks with it if you're patient. So that's generally the shape I'm trying to go for. I'm going for this very winged out look. So now I'll be cutting my crease with the erase paste. As you can see, I'm like annoyed. So I'm holding my breath so hard right now. Now I'll be taking the shade, oh my god, what shade? Guilt Trip, and I'll be applying that all over the place I cut my crease. And I'll be using this brush right here. It's dirty because of that one over there. So this shade would work better with a setting spray, but I'm broke, so I have no setting spray to use. I know that when Trixie Mattel, the drag queen, when she does her brows, when she glues down her brows, she licks the stick, the glue stick, and then she like puts it all over her. Oh my god. I'm not judging, I freaking love that girl, but I don't know if I would do it. So now that that's done, I will be taking this shade right here, Punk, I think. Yeah, the shade Punk, and I'll be further deepening the crease. And honestly, it kind of saved my look a little bit earlier, because right now it looks like a very cool toned mess. My skin tone doesn't really agree with a cool tone palette unless I'm doing a contour. But so this shade is a bit of a warmer tone. It's not pink, by the way, it's just the brush. This is more of a warmer brown, more than a cool tone brown like the first one. Since we're in a quarantine right now because of this COVID-19 thing, comment down below who's watching because they're just so bored. This is empty because they're just so bored. They have nothing else better to do than to watch your girl put on makeup. I have been doing literally nothing, and it's only like the second day. Well, today it's like the 19th of March. So it's the 19th of March, which is Malaysia's second official lockdown day, and I am bored. I'm swimming in boredom because there's nothing to do. But I'd rather have nothing to do than go out and like, I don't know, break this lockdown law thing. Honestly, if you guys are still going out, I would suggest you seriously stay home. to prevent further spread of this whole disease thing, dude, it's scary. People are actually dying. I know that the chances of surviving and getting cured from this disease is high, but do you really want to take the chance of spreading it further to somebody who has, like, let's say, a weaker immune system? Like, that ain't right, man. You should go home, stay home. If you want to drink water, hydrate, be healthy, you know? I don't drink water, and I think my boyfriend's gonna comment in the comment section below saying you gotta drink water yourself. But stay home, man. Help prevent this or at least don't contribute in like spreading it. I'll be taking this shade right here, the first shade, which is called Breakaway, and I'll be putting it like on the innermost part here, and also I'll be using it as my inner corner highlight. Taking it on my finger, putting it right there. Ooh. So now I'll be doing my liner, lashes, and smoke out my under eye off camera, and I'll be right back. You know what? I don't hate this look. I think I don't hate it because I chose really big lashes to hide all my mistakes. Anyone else notice that? Alright, so now for lips. I have 6 options, including a very weird one, which I do not want this one to come out. This is number 6. So what I have here are, number 1 is my Sleek Matte Me lipstick in Fired Up liquid lipstick. And then number 2 is this NYX Liquid Suede creamless lipstick in Soft Spoken. And then number 3 is the NYX Liquid Suede in Pure Society. Number 4 would be NYX Lingerie in, I don't know what color that is because it rubbed off. And then I have number 5, which is the Kat Von D Lolita 2. Number 5. Number 6 will be this gray shade, which is the NYX Lingerie in Scandalous. Alright, let's see what number it is. Number 6. I've never actually used this out because it's such a weird shade. Alright, I am frazzled. I hate challenges. Probably will still do them again in the future. Cause you know what? It was kind of fun, kind of annoying, very annoying, but it got me out of my routine because I don't usually choose these. I will never, or I would never choose a cool tone lip, but I don't hate it with these eyes. But anyway, I'm done. What do you think? Okay, so that was the challenge. The random number generator picks my makeup or just my eyes and my lips challenge. So I hope you guys enjoyed it because I didn't. I hope my pain was seen because then it would be at least worth it for you guys. But I hope to see you again in my next video. And if you want to, you can like and subscribe to me, to moi. If you want to, I'm not forcing you to. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.